All right, guys, what we got here is we got a Case 850M bulldozer equipped with a Leica single mast GPS system. So as we take a look at this thing, you're going to have a couple cables here. You're going to have this cable here running from your antenna, runs back into the central block right there. That should be hooked up right up on top there. And then you're going to have this SP14, which is a slope sensor. That is actually mounted on the back of the blade right here. Make sure when you're checking this stuff out, make sure this cable is tied up out of the way so you don't run these things over. And we'll take a look up here. We'll go ahead and put the antenna on this unit. So as we're doing this, this thing threads on there. It doesn't need to be Superman tight, just finger tight. Okay. Also, whenever you're done with this thing should be threaded into here. I just had it off, so I didn't thread it back on because I just had it off for a minute here. So this cable here, as you look, it's just like a coax cable. It's going to just get threaded into this guy right over here, and we'll go ahead and do that. All right, guys, now that that's threaded in there, just make sure it's not Superman tight. Like I said, it doesn't need to be real tight, just snug. So along with this coax cable here and the antenna itself, that's all you need to worry about. It's just snug. So we'll go into the cab and we'll go ahead and hook the MCP80 up, which is the in-cab monitor. Okay, guys, what we have right here is the brains of the system. This is going to be the monitor. The way Leica has this design, you'll be able to actually move this from machine to machine as long as they're equipped similarly. So as you can see here, there's no connections that you actually make here. It's just this little lever on top that you're going to flip this over once you put the MCP80, the monitor, on there. So, and as you can see on the back side of this, it just kind of locks in there. So when we set it in there, just set it down. Forgive me, I'm trying to do this one-handed as well. You set it on there like that and go ahead and push it over. That locks it into place. Like I said, this system doesn't use any kind of cables or anything like that. It actually has an optical system that provides all the information through to it. So back here, there's power button. That's how we're going to turn this thing on at. So go ahead and push that button, and as you see, we're starting to get some power here.